Support trust. A support trust, also sometimes referred to as a trust for maintenance, is a specialized legal arrangement where a trustee is legally obligated to distribute trust income or principal only to pay for the beneficiary's essential living expenses. What specific standard dictates how much money a trustee should hand over? It is governed by a foundational legal framework called the HEMS standard. This stands for Health, Education, Maintenance, and Support. In the US, UK, and Australia, these trusts are powerful asset protection tools. Because the beneficiary does not have unconditional access to the cash, their external creditors cannot sue the trust to seize the money for unpaid personal debts. The trustee has a strict fiduciary duty to refuse any distributions that fall outside these vital lifestyle needs. For example, a wealthy grandfather sets up a support trust for his young grandson, appointing a corporate bank as the trustee. The trust document states the money is strictly for the grandson's education and basic living costs. When the grandson turns 18, he asks the trustee for $50,000 to buy a luxury sports car. The trustee evaluates the request, determines a sports car is not an essential support need, and legally denies the request.